crash gently along the shore. As the drone begins its rise, the view ahead is not just scenic, it's spiritual. Welcome to Murdeshwar, one of India's most iconic coastal temples located in Karnataka. What you're about to witness is more than just a video. It's a journey through faith, architecture, and the harmony of nature. Let's soar through the skies and uncover the divine beauty of Murdeshwar. Murdeshwar Temple is a stunning blend of devotion and design. The Raja Gopuram, towering at 20 stories, stands tall beside the coast. With a lift taking visitors to the top, the Gopuram offers one of the most breathtaking panoramic views you can find, the Arabian Sea on 3 sides. And the divine presence of Lord Shiva in the center. Built with intricate carvings and symbolic sculptures, the temple is a masterpiece of modern Hindu architecture. It reflects not just craftsmanship, but reverence. One of the most striking sights in Murdeshwar is the colossal statue of Lord Shiva. Standing at 123 feet, this is the second tallest Shiva statue in the world. Seated calmly in a meditative pose, Lord Shiva overlooks the sea, tranquil, wise, and all-seeing. At sunrise, the golden rays paint the statue in divine light. At sunset, it glows with a soft radiance, creating an aura of spiritual serenity that touches every heart. But Murdeshwar is more than visual grandeur. It is a place of deep mythological significance. According to legend, Ravana, the demon king of Lanka, obtained the sacred Atma Linga from Lord Shiva after intense penance. But the gods, fearing its power, tricked Ravana into placing the Linga on the ground, where it rooted itself permanently. That very spot is where Murdeshwar stands today. The name Murdeshwar itself is derived from Murti, idol, and Ishwar, God. This sacred story breathes life into every stone, every step, every prayer offered here. As the drone floats above the coastline, we are reminded of the temple's unique location. The Arabian Sea surrounds the temple on 3 sides, making it appear as if it's emerging from the ocean itself. Waves lap gently at the temple's edge, while the surrounding hills provide a lush green backdrop, a beautiful union of earth, water, and spirit. Tourists, devotees, and photographers all find solace in the calm of this space. If you seek peace, this is where your journey finds a pause and a purpose. Murdeshwar is not just a destination, it is an experience for the soul. For some, it's a place of worship. For others, a stunning architectural wonder. For many, it's a retreat into nature and inner stillness. Watching from above, you realize, this is where sky meets sea, and spirit meets stone. Whether you're here in person or through the lens of a drone, Murdeshwar leaves you with something to carry, a sense of calm, awe, and reverence. Thank you for joining us on this aerial journey over Murdeshwar temple. If this video inspired